Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using DeepSeek AI in 2025. DeepSeek AI just launched. If you have no experience, just head over to DeepSeek AI and tell it to give you a prompt that you can copy and paste into leonardo.ai to generate a batch of 100 t-shirts design. So let's DeepSeek AI generate over 100 t-shirt designs for you. And now head over to Etsy and set up your Etsy store as a seller. If you are a beginner, this is perfect because you'll be selling bundled digital designs and not physical products. Once the designs are ready, upload them to a Google Drive folder. Also, add a thank you note for customers who are willing to access their files of their purchase. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.